Um, yo, let's just get straight to it, bro. We're a bit late, so first things first, we're gonna be running and checking. You know this trade, bro. Honestly speaking, feel like yesterday we messed up. I honestly feel like yesterday we messed up. We messed up yesterday. Yesterday we should have went for the buy. We really should have went for the buy yesterday. But anyway, it was cool. It was cool because both trades didn't really do that bad. Like if I'm being honest for real. Okay, 1 minute there's no confirmation. Is there another confirmation on the 5 minute? Okay, 5 minutes is telling us to sell. Wow, what a big ask. Asking us to sell right now? Yo, the 5 minutes is telling us we should be selling. Okay, it looks like it just failed to give us a confirmation. Okay, let's go up. Let's go higher. Higher time frame. Let's see if we go up, where is our take profit gonna be? I also see it going up. I don't really have anything against holding this thing, allowing it to go up. Yes. Okay, it looks good. It looks good. I think if we're gonna be taking up, we'll to take this thing down. We'll take it down through these two prices, through right along this trend line right here and this one right here. Let me see. Don't know how I'm feeling about this thing going up. I need a bit more convincing to believe that this thing is gonna go up, because like, don't get me wrong, I see it. I really see this thing going up. But let's just take a breathing moment and wait for our confirmation on the 105 minute. No rush. Remember, it's no rush. It's always no rush, bro. It's always no rush, bro. There's no such a thing as a missed trading opportunity at all. Not even a single one, bro. Not even a single one. Wait, hold on. Okay, just a second, y'all. This is the 1 hour. This is the 1 hour. I need to get back to that lady because very important conversations I'm having with that lady. Very important conversations I'm having with that lady. I like the buy. The buy looks good. My charts are messy. Don't come at me, y'all. Don't come at me. I feel like I'm always defending myself against messy charts when I'm here. But those messy charts are really important. For example, wait, what? Why did I do that? Why did I draw these here? Okay. This is 5 minute, no? CC. Okay, maybe that's why. For example, remember what I said here. I said if this breaks above here, we look for the first confirmation indicator going up above these ones. So that would have been this one right here. We would have hypothetically entered here. Had we not taken these cells, we would have entered here, taken this thing up. So right now, I really do think this thing is gonna keep going up. Personally, I really think this thing is gonna continue going up. I'm just having a bit of trouble finding any way to enter this trade. Like, I'm really struggling to find any place to enter this trade. Even struggling to find confirmation. Okay, that's one. We'll take that. I need another confirmation right here so I can draw. A trend line. I need another confirmation. We'll take this one right here. This is good. This is absolutely amazing. If price does come back, no. That wouldn't be good. If price does come back here, we'd be looking to sell. So this looks like a buy. I feel like you see, sometimes it's okay to admit that you're late for a trade. And I think for this one, we are a bit late for this one. It really is a bit, it is okay to admit that you're late, bro. And I really think for this trade, we are indeed a bit late for this trade. Let me call on the 1 minute, find a confirmation for this price. Boom. Looking good, bro. Looking so good. There's not a lot of, I mean, there's one here, there's an indicator here, but it's not on this trend line, so we don't have to worry about that. We ain't gotta worry about that, nigga. We ain't gotta worry about that, nigga. Let's go to the 5 minute TF. Let's go to the 5 minute TF. This looks like it's going up, bro. I need a confirmation to take this thing up, but it's look like it's really going up. Yo, dog, if D hadn't closed the chart, if the thing he was on since Tuesday, had he not closed that, bro. In fact, I also had another entry that was marking a buy. Look at that. This entry right here. Had we held this whole week, we would be in comfortable profit, bro. Comfy ass profits, bro. No kizzy, you did. Yo, I'ma look for an entry, bro, but I can't find one. I'm not finding an entry, bro. Sorry about my sinuses. I don't know why I'm doing that. I don't usually be wilding with my sinuses. Yo, I don't like what's happening, bro. I don't like being this patient, especially when I'm seeing that the market is literally about to go in direction. Really, bro. Okay, so now I'm gonna look for threes. So I'm gonna draw a bunch of confirmations and see what patterns have been formed, so I can identify alternative ways of entering this uptrend. This was on the 5 minute. That's why it's like in the middle of nowhere. So this one was here. I can put that there. Is there another one here? No, there's not another one here. So because there's not another one here, I won't put this one that's supposed to be right here. Wait, what am I waiting for? Oh yeah, I'm waiting for a bullish confirmation here. I'm waiting for a bullish confirmation. I'm not looking to take this thing down, honestly. But I want to see something. But wait, before I get distracted, let me continue looking for confirmations. Oh, look at this. Look at this. We have a confirmation there. We have another confirmation right here. Do we have a confirmation somewhere else here? Seems like this is a confirmation. If that's a confirmation, let me go to the 5 minute. Maybe we'll find another one somewhere here. Maybe we will find. Okay, this is just at the same place. So that doesn't really qualify as a 3. See, but this was like 40 minutes ago, bro. 40 minutes or something, so we can't really take that as an entry, like, at all, bro. Maybe that, nah, that's not looking good. I'm struggling to find the entry here, bro. I'm struggling to find an entry. I think market is gonna come back down here and then give us an entry. And I wanna go check that thingy, bro. I wanna go check that text. Okay, let me do this real quickly. I'll come back to that. Let me do this. Switch scenes. I like this one. Okay. I'm not done. I'm still waiting for confirmation. I'm still waiting for indicator confirmation so we can find an entry. I just need to check some texts and then I'll get back to you. I see this. Oh yeah, let me go back to the chart. I'm done responding to the person I was responding to. Let me go back to the chart. Dude, this thing won't give me a confirmation, bro. It won't give me a confirmation. Okay. I like the looks of this. I like the look of that. I like the look of this. I like the look of this. If this goes down and gives us a confirmation somewhere here, let me do this. That would be perfect. Because then we'll just have another 3. I think I'm going to change the color of these so I can distinguish. Wait, that's only 3 indicators. No, that's not a confirmation. Okay, I think let's keep that one for now. Let's keep the one that I already have for now. And let's just wait for a confirmation, bro. Yeah, why does this thing taking so long to give me a confirmation? Let's just wait for confirmation, y'all. You know, like, knowing that you missed the entry, like yesterday, like honestly speaking, if yesterday I had just entered, you know what I'm noticing, right? Let me do this. I'm gonna write this as notes. Gonna write this as notes. Wait. Okay, no. Let me not write. This is a note. I just realized something. The other way around. AC indicator nodes. Okay, cool. Market chasing significant levels. Significant levels is, well, has a higher probability than what am I trying to say? Market chasing significant levels has a higher probability than weak trendline trend line with weak confirmations. I think that's something we can take note of. So I'm gonna go back to yesterday. Do we have a yes, give us that. Give us an entry, nigga. Yes, give us an entry, nigga. Yes, we want that bullish entry. We want that bullish entry. We will take it. And let's take it. Let's take this bullish entry right here. Let's take this bullish entry. Let's enter right here where market is. Let me just change the color of this and that. Let's enter a bullish. Let's take this thing up. Let's say 8 points. What's just 8 points? Let's take it a bit higher. Okay, that's 8 points. Then obviously we're gonna have to have a stop loss entry for our revenge traders. A stop loss entry for the revenge traders like me, because I'm a revenge trader. Let's put that somewhere here. Let's take this thing up, y'all. Let's take this thing emoyeni. Let's take this thing up. Let us take this thing big time forward. Starboy-ass. Oh wait, I didn't draw. Ugh, okay, 5 minutes. Looks very, very good. Looks very good. Looks very good. Good. Okay, that's TP1. And then we're gonna have TP2 somewhere here. TP2. Okay, let's go 1 hour. Let's confirm. Seems like this might have moderate momentum. Momentum won't be too crazy on this one, but it will have momentum. Yeah, I think for today, let's take it up until that point. Though I don't think it's gonna go further than that. Let's be realistic, bro. Today, let's take it up to the what? How much is this? This is a 1 to 10. I love that. I love it, man. 1 and 10 ratios, man. See, when I post 1 and 2s, that's for y'all, man. That's like to increase consistency. Those 1 and 10s are for y'all, not for me, man. 1 to 2s are for y'all, not for me. Look at this. This is confirmation on a 15 minute. But I don't trade 15-minute time frames, bro. Don't trade 15-minute time frames. Let's take this thing up, y'all. Let's take this thing up. I might post this on the Reddit. Finna post this on the Reddit. Y'all. Why am I entering this trade? Well, because of this trend line. That's why. That's more of a footprint. But also because this thing was broken, and also because of this 3, the continuation of this 3. Yeah, those are the reasons why I'm taking this trade. Damn. Hey man, I'm just gonna screenshot it like this, and then I'm gonna send it on the Reddit. Let me just post. No, I'll do that off stream. For now, let's enter this and take this thing up, man. Let's take this thing up. Let's take this thing up. Beautiful entry. Looks like it's already moving. I want to look at what happened yesterday. Yes, or like this thing really upsets me when I consider what happened yesterday. This was such a beautiful entry. Gave us a 1-2 instantly. Came back. Obviously stopped out, and then literally, like I say about the stop loss entries, it hit my stop loss. Entered this trade. Gave us a 1-2. Wait, it only gave us a 1-2 here when it came back to entry, and then gave us 1-2. You know, right now I'm really undecided about like over leveraging. I'm still learning how to go full margin. So for now, I would really recommend to anyone to just focus on entering one trade, go for 1-2, leave. Enter trade, take 1-2, leave. Enter trade, 1-2, leave. For now, until you have like a comfortable bank balance, then you can start taking risks. You feel me? Look at that. It's already pushing up. Yo, I'ma see y'all Sunday.